ay pagkakaloob po sa atin ni Mayor Candeng. In recognition of their exceptional display of resilience and perseverance, in pursuit of education in spite of the difficulties and limitations brought about by the circumstances of life, and which was intensified by the year-long pandemic, their remarkable accomplishment is a beacon of hope and a source of inspiration for other young people and a reminder to all that no hurdles can impede the power of our passion and dream. Given this 13th day of July, 2023 in Antipolo City, Province of Rizal, signed Honorable Casimiro A. Ignaz III, MD, City Mayor. Mambugan 1 Elementary School, ang inyong numero 1 gulo awardee for school year 2019-2020. Isang malakas na palakpakan na may kasamang sigawan kay Miss Aloma Gemma Cortez.